And there's another product out there for doing compositing. It's a standalone product from DV Garage, and Alex Lindsay has a lot of great content on this site with lots of tutorials, lots of information. You'll get a lot more just going through and watching all these tutorials to really understand what this product does. But it's called Conduit, and they've got a 2.0, 2.2 version of it now. And just in a nutshell, you've got an input and an output source, and this is nodal based. So anything you add to the node runs interference for you here. So he's got a one-button solution here, which is color difference key, but it's not quite that simple. It does the first step, but you have to go in and do a lot of tweaking, a lot of nodal things, but it's really, really powerful. Probably one of the most powerful keyers and compositors that are on the market available for software. And it will take a live feed as well with a little delay, but this is just running a QuickTime movie in a loop right now. But just by making some amazing adjustments here for your input, black and white, and then going in and changing some things in here, putting some more nodes in there, going to unspill, and you have to think quite differently. He's got some great tutorials on the site that teach you how to do all of this and follow this step by step. So this is one of the videos off the site that I edited here for you to see the different steps, but you can get pretty amazing composites from it. It's got built-in scopes, the RGB parade here, and he's just changing your RGB channels in there. We'll knock that down to a neutral so you get all the green out. You're actually adjusting the spill out of there as well as pulling the green out of the background at the same time. So it's pretty amazing. Of course, he's got a lot of different nodes in there that you're going to be going through to get through this process. I can bring in a background image for the background of the composite, and then just by pulling a few of the nodes around and linking them together, you'll end up with a final composite. So it does take a little bit of learning. It's got a learning curve to it, but it's extremely powerful when you really get the hang of it and you understand what all of the different nodes do. So just selecting the different nodes, it will show you whatever one's selected. That's the result you're seeing in the screen here. This really works best on two monitors. To try to show it on one monitor is kind of tough. So you really need two monitors. You need a full system. And then you're changing the exposure here. You can do your color balance between your foreground and background. Again, it's a standalone system. dvgarage.com. Go check out Conduit.